let's add some like reviews. So go here. Remember, keep this one at the bottom. Reviews. Let's copy this to keep it organized. Boom. Let's call this stories. There we go. Stories. All right, let's call this stories. And we're gonna go H2, give it the subtitle. Give it the subtitle class. Gotta put the dash in there. Good. So it's already, subtitle. There we go. And this is gonna be Travelers Stories. Right there. Good. And now Traveler Stories. And now let's go dot stories. There you go. And inside of this stories tag, you can actually just bring this, because this is going to be at the very end of everything. Just so it's not confused. Out of the way, not confused. All right. So now, stories. Let's go div. Gonna go img. Images. I'm gonna go story 1. Right there. Good, you can take off this alt. And then put a little paragraph. This is where you'd put the person's review. Let's put I visited awesome countries for under $4,000 using AirBNB. Good. All right, so now this section, we're gonna create 3 of them. 2, 3. This one will be story 2. This one will be story 3. Change up the words to make it look realistic. I visited more than 100 countries in a year. That'd be cool. And then let's go good. All right. So now, got that. Let's put those together, and then we're gonna put a link at the bottom. Just put hashtag there, and then class equals, this will be a start button. And then you can do start earning now. Right. Looks good, looks good. All right, so our story section is complete. Look at it from here. Got those cool big pictures. And then start earning. And now let's style that. So go in our style.css. Go ahead and copy this. We're going to go stories. All right, let's do this. So here, subtitles already styled. Let's go to get stories. Dot, boom, curly brace. Good. Again, we're going to use our grid. Let's do this. Instead of rewriting it over again, let's look at the last time we got the grid, all this right here. Copy. We're going to use the exact same grid. Paste that. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just add a margin at the bottom. Margin bottom, 30 px. Save. Okay. And again, working with our grid. Div, img, curly braces. We can did what we did last time. Copy this. Good. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. It's clean. Okay. Next, let's grab here. Curly brace. Position relative. And text align center. Save. Got the word centered. Looks good. And now we can, let's style the paragraphs specifically. Let's go width. We'll go 80%. 80%, very good. And position, absolute, nice work. Let's go top, 50%. Left, 50%. Good, we're gonna get the words on top of it. We could, remember, well, let's just write it in. Like we did it earlier, you could go ahead and copy that, but we're already down here. Translate, negative 50%, comma, negative 50%. Good. Right in the middle, good, good, good. Let's go color, white. Easy to see. White and font size. 26px. Save. Skills, skills, skills. Okay. Okay, so now let's target, last thing, let's target the start button. It's gonna look a little different. Nice. Text, decoration, none. So that we have no line down there. Background, same color we've been using. Let's make it white. The words, good. Width, 80%. Max width though, don't want it any bigger than 350 px. There you go. Display block. Text align center. There you go. Let's go 60 px top and bottom, and then auto for the sides. There it is, getting it in the middle. Now we need some space inside of this little box. We'll do padding for that. 15 px on all 4 sides. Nicely done. Almost there. Border radius, let's round that thing. 30 px. Boom. And let's increase the font size just a bit. Font size 20 px. Save. Very good. Awesome, awesome. There you go. Got your story section. You got your pictures with your little comments right there. Skills, skills. Looks great. Let me make that a little smaller. There's the CSS. And then I'll show you the HTML, just to make sure you're good. Good, you're all set. All right, we are almost done our first page.